Iceland is situated just south of the Arctic Circle. Some 40,000 square miles in area, it's just about half the size of the United Kingdom. The population is about 3 times the size of that of Carlisle. It is mainly concentrated in the southwest around the capital, Reykjavik. Iceland is a volcanic island, once completely covered by glaciers. It owes its existence to its position astride two of what the geologists call tectonic plates. Earth movements occur where the plates meet and give rise to the zones of earthquakes and volcanic activity. The Eurasian plate and the North American plate are moving apart at the rate of 1 inch per year. A symbolic bridge marks one of the points in Iceland where the two plates are exposed. Our base was in Reykjavik, and our first trip out of there was around the tourist trail called the Golden Circle. A rather bleak landscape. It's the end of April and still winter. Rising steam indicates thermal activity, showing that the heat is not far below the surface. Here is a small example of machinery harnessing the heat. Looks a bit primitive, but in fact it's quite sophisticated. And yes, it is hot. On to another area of thermal activity which clearly attracts the visitors.
J'ai juste pas envie qu'il se coupe en fait.
Je vais tenter un coup, mais...
It is claimed that these falls are more powerful than Niagara Falls. Next excursion was to Vik on the coast southeast of Reykjavik. Extensive areas of level land here due to a fall in the sea level. This has left former seaside cliffs inland and sites for waterfalls.
Classique arrive dans l'espèce de grotte là, vous savez, il y a un truc vert.
I guess the word yokel is the word for glacier in Icelandic. Over the years the glaciers have shrunk, and today only 7 or 8 remain. On the way back from Vik we made a slight detour to catch sight of this one with the unpronounceable name. Another excursion, and this time to the south coast, south of Reykjavik. Eroded lava flows reach down to the sea, and the coastal pools are an attraction for the bird life which is beginning to arrive.
Les phoques qui sont pas là. Regarde les canards, ils reviennent.
Here we find a factory-like building. In fact, it's the modern method of harnessing the thermal energy. No coal and very few trees on the island, thermal energy is a great asset to the nation as a whole. Strong sulphur smells and very, very hot water, but with plenty of notices to remind us not to touch it. Onward to our final scenes of Iceland's natural but rugged beauty. The silica-laden waters of the Blue Lagoon. This is a sort of mecca for tourists, and naturally it's heated by thermal energy. Apparently it's very good for both toenails and fingernails.